Hello from Autumn's House of German Shepherds. In today's training video, it's 4-week video, we're going to be getting the babies used to hearing different sounds at different volumes. Of course, that's Green Boy right there. Is that Green Boy or is that Gray? Oh, that's Pink Girl. Oh my goodness. So, last week we started training, getting used to ears. I'm going to step out. Getting used to touching their ears and touching their paws. We continue to do that, up until it's like very comfortable for them and just second nature. But today we will be playing loud sounds of fireworks and other dogs barking. Okay, we are training to the sound of fireworks on a low level. Gray Boy is not afraid. Blue is sleeping through it. Purple's drinking water. Now the sound of a dog barking. We are only going to do 5 minutes of this today. We'll do 5 minutes tomorrow at a louder volume. We have 4 of the 5 sleeping through it. I believe this is Green Man that's still awake. I think he's going to go to sleep to it too. We got 15 seconds. And that's it for today.